Hello guys, I'm Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So guys, today we will take a very important topic from mathematics of class 8. Right? So this is your first chapter, how to calculate the square of a one digit number and a two digit number by using diagonal method. So guys, this is very important question for class 8. What is diagonal method and how to calculate the square of given number? So let us take any one number that is one digit to find square of 9 by using diagonal method. Right? So this is your question, guys. How to calculate the square of 9 by using diagonal method? So first of all, guys, what the meaning of a square? What is the meaning of a square? So square is the value that we get by multiplying the number by itself. Okay, if we have a number that is 9, so how to calculate the square of 9? By multiply the 9 by 9. So here we use the diagonal method to calculate the square. So in diagonal method we need two numbers. So we can write 9 in the form of a 0, 9. So guys, how to calculate the 9 square? We can write 9 in the form of a 0, 9 square. Now we have two values. These two values are 0 and 9. So guys, here we have to make a box. This is a square. We have to divide the square like this for two value a and b, a and b. Now we have to make the diagonals. So this is first diagonal, this one, and this is. Now guys, we have to substitute the value horizontally and vertically. So this is 0, 9 on the top of these two boxes and 0, 9 to the front of these two boxes. Okay. Now we will multiply 0 into 0. This is 0. So we get 2 0. 0 into 9. Again we have 0. This is 0. Now we will multiply this 9 with 0 to fill these boxes. 9 into 0, again 9, sorry, again 0. Now 9 into 9, this is 81, like this. Okay, 9 into 9, 81. Now we have to write these value in front of these arrow. We have to add the values along diagonally. So 8, 0 plus 8 plus 0, this is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 0, this is 0. Again, this is 0. Now guys, we have to take the values only at unit place. So this is 1. For next number, again this is 8 and the rest will be 0. So guys, the square of 9, this is equal to 81. So guys, this is answer. Right? Now, if we take one another example, that number is 89 whole square. If we have to calculate the square of 89 by using diagonal method, then how to calculate? Here, your question is to calculate 89 whole square. So here, our first number is 8 and second number is 9. So guys, you have to make a square. This is the square. Now divide this square into 2 equal half and then horizontally into equal half. Right? Make the diagonals like this. Now you have to write these two values on the top. This is 8 and 9. Right? And front of it, this is 8 and 9. Right? Now guys, you know, we have to multiply these two values to fill the value here. So 8 into 8, this is 64. So we write 64 like this. Right? 8 into 9, this is 72. This is 72. Right? 8 into 9, this is again 72. Right? 9 into 9, this is 81. Right? Now guys, we have to add these value diagonally. Right? So inside the box we have one only diagonally. We have three values diagonally. This is 8 plus 2 plus 2. This is 12. Right? Now we have how many values? 3 values inside the boxes. 7, 7, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. Right? Now again inside the box we have only 6 along diagonally. So this is 6. But guys, this is not the answer, because we have to take the number only at a unit place. So this is first value, this is 1. At that 10 place we have 0. When we add 0 here, we have only 12. So this is unit place value 2, and 1 goes to the next place. This is plus 1. So it will become 19. Now we will take only 9 from the unit place and 1 goes to next one. This is 6 plus 1, 7. So guys, our answer is 89 whole square is equal to 7. This is 9, this is 2 and this is 1. So guys, the square of 89 is equal to 7921. Right? So see once more, we have to find out the square of 89 by using diagonal method. So we have to make a square. Diagonally we put the values on the top 8 and 9, in front of these two boxes 8 and 9. After that we will multiply 8 into 8. Why we 8 into 8? Because we have to put these 8 into 8 64 in first box and 8 into 9 in second box. Okay. After these we have to add all the value inside the box diagonally, and last but very important step, we have to take the values only from the unit place, and next 10 place value goes to the next one, that will add, right? So this is the answer. So guys, I hope you have understand the topic and try to solve the related sum from your book. So guys, this is very important question for class 8th. Thank you. Have a nice day.